game is all the way turned up.
Well, not all the way.
Didn't get much more turned up than that. Oh, that's gotta be good, right?
$2.
Nice. Bunch of fun stuff. Come on, bonus. Let's just get all three.
That was so close to something.
I hate this game.
I know.
It always fakes me out. Do it. How is that not doing it?
How many? You need 5 to trigger
Oh,
it?
I don't even know. I think it just happens randomly. Like any of them can hit at any time. You get a firework.
I think either 4 or 5
nice.
is guaranteed. Oh, we got it.
I present extra spins.
Yes.
Oh, come on. Don't die. Give us anything. No, what is this? Give us anything. No, don't be dead.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Terrible.
What a poopies bonus. Oh, that's unfortunate. Oh, that's gotta be it. Oh, come on.
I guess it's not 4.
What a fake out.
Like 6 of them or so.
Yeah, maybe you need 5. Maybe there is no guarantee.
I think there is though. I think there's an automatic like screen that triggers.
Oh, do it. Oh, the miner's only $20 though.
Yeah.